At our school, we've really invested heavily in using Microsoft 365 with both our teachers and with our children. It's had a real impact on children in their approach to learning and their enthusiasm for it. Bringing in Microsoft 365 into every classroom allowed us to adopt a style and approach to learning that we would not have been able to do otherwise.
As soon as I started doing some of the training on the Microsoft Educator Centre, I just found tools straight away, which were amazing. It saves me time in all sorts of places. So things like I wrote a report the other day and I sat and proofread it through by using Immersive Reader, and I could just hear the things that did work and didn't, so I could quickly and easily just adapt my work from there.
Another huge benefit of Office 365 is that it really extends the opportunity for learning beyond the walls of the school, and that gives teachers a great opportunity to change how they teach, change what content they provide children at school, because a lot of that content now can be provided differently at home, and then the time that they have in school, the teachers can work with them in a different way.
I think that actually the ability to be able to share work in a really quick, easy way using assignments on Teams is great, and I can differentiate on there as well, so it's dead easy to just set tasks that are appropriate to the children, and then again just to be able to get in there, I haven't got to get sets of books out or take my marking home with me. I can actually just sit and do it wherever I am, so there's lots of ways that it helps to save me lots of time.
So we're using Teams in school as a channel of communication between staff for staff meetings. That was really important during lockdown, but it's actually something that we'll take forward into using together to meet and discuss and share documents as we go forward, as it's a really good platform for all of our staff to communicate with each other.
So we use Sway for our newsletters, and we've used Forms actually increasingly, so I used it most recently for a staff wellbeing survey. For our newsletters, it's very straightforward. I get a Word document, usually from the head teacher, which then I add a few extra bits to, and then I just drop that straight into Sway. I can choose my own pictures, but it will also choose pictures for me if I want it to. And literally I can turn it around from a Word document into Sway in 5 or 10 minutes, and it looks so professional, and it looks like I've spent hours on it, and I really haven't had to.
The children who've been using Microsoft in the classroom are so skilled in everything that they do. Skilled, but also motivated. So I just think that it is such a powerful tool which can enhance teaching. It doesn't replace it, but it is certainly a way in which you can be so efficient in the classroom, get so much content done, because they just want to keep going with it, and you have to literally tear the computers away from them to say, no, look, it's break time now. So I just think they're empowered. I feel empowered as a teacher because I can use my time effectively, and I can put in those supports that I know help children to learn.